What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here. And GPU mining is actually getting pretty darn profitable, like really good. But it's not going to last. So you're going to have to act super fast and get in all the jobs before they're all gone. Now, there's quite a few jobs here you can get, but let's run through some numbers before we get into this. And we can see right now, coming into hashrate.io, things aren't really looking that good. That's okay because we're not mining any of these coins. So we can see a 4070 Ti is making about 61 cents in revenue, 25-cent profit. What if I told you a 3060 Ti, that's right, 3000 series, would be making around 50 cents? That's pretty good considering right now a 3060 Ti is rocking about 12-cent revenue and negative 6-cent profit. Not too shabby at all. Moving forward, so this is a sponsored video coming in for Salad. I'm sure most of you guys already have this platform. If you don't have it, download it. Link will be down in the description. But most of you guys already have this by now. But we need you guys to turn your rigs back on if you want to get profit. There are around 800 jobs for the 3060 Ti. There's about 400 jobs for 4090s and 5090s. And there's high priority jobs that pay even more, possibly around $7 a day on the 5090s, which is pretty insane. But coming into here, I went through the numbers here. A 49 and a 5090 on average is doing about $4.32 a day. We got the 3060 Ti doing about 50 cents a day, and we got the 5070s doing about $3.45 a day. So there's quite a few jobs available. It's been pretty high in demand over probably about 5 or 6 days now, so almost a week. But remember, as people turn on, the jobs are going to get burnt up, so it's up to you guys to get on here ASAP before all the jobs are gone. But there are a lot of jobs available, and some of them are pretty darn big jobs. So if you are new to Salad, come on over to salad.com here, click on earn with PC, and then you'll see the download button here. So click on the download here, then log in. You might have to make an account or something, depending, like if you are brand new or you forget how to get Salad. That's simply how you would download and upgrade to the latest version of the miner. Once you do log in here, you can see I'm just auto logging in through everything, so it's nice and easy for me. But then you'll come in and you can also download it through here, but you can see the earn store, help, blog, all this stuff. Here's how you get paid out. You can get PayPal balances paid out to you, all sorts of different gift cards paid out to you. So there's lots of different ways. If you're a Roblox player, you can get Robux paid out to you, Amazon gift cards, Twitch, all sorts of different ways that you can actually redeem your Salad mining for the rewards. Now, a lot of people just go for the PayPal because that's going straight into your PayPal account, then to your bank and so on. But that in a nutshell is Salad. But there are a ton of demand right now, a lot of jobs. And remember, it's first come, first serve. So you're going to have to turn on your rigs ASAP. It is recommended to have 32 gigabytes of system RAM. And remember, you can run this on like AM4 and stuff. You don't need DDR5, the super new PCs here. You can run the older generation PCs. So RAM is obviously a much cheaper here. But there we go. 500 gigabytes of storage, 32 gigabytes of RAM. You can run with less. You won't get the highest paying jobs for your hardware, but you will still get some jobs. But remember, guys, it is very limited right now. Get in there, burn up these jobs. That's what Salad needs. I do point out every time that the jobs do get high in demand, I said I'll let you guys know, and Salad reaches out to me, and then here we go, letting you know that demand is there. It's been here for a few days now, and it looks like it continues to keep growing. So get your hardware on, guys, and make some money while your GPUs have a chance to earn. So coming in here, as I know, I mentioned earlier that some jobs are worth upwards of $7 a day on an RTX 5090. Those are very, very high priority. So don't expect to maybe get one of those. But if you get on ASAP and you have all the right, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gig of storage and everything, you may have a chance to get those. So you're going to have to hurry for that. But don't expect it because there aren't very many of them, and they're going first because they are very high priority to get things done. But like we're still getting, $4 to $5 on a 4090 and 5090. Let's just take a look at things right now. If we go to a 4090 here, we could see $1.10 in revenue or 31-cent profit. And then a 5090 here, we could see is doing $1.33 and 8-cent profit. So we possibly are getting $4 to $5 a day. And if you're lucky, get that $7 a day job. That's pretty amazing in terms of anything else that you can currently mine when it comes to GPU mining. So you guys are going to have to act fast, get going, get your salad rigs online. Remember, that is Windows only. And I also want to point out that Salad is actually integrating crypto payments sometime into the future. When we get a bunch more details on that, I'll obviously let you guys know. So let me know down in the comment section. Turn on the Salad. Let me know how much your jobs are, how many jobs you get, and how many rigs you're going to be turned on, because I'm curious to hear what jobs you guys end up with. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.